Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a mic stand using Gopro accessories. For this mic stand, I'm using an aluminum bar, a Gopro shorty stick, a Gopro buckle mount, a Gopro sticky pad, and a Rode video mic Go. I'm using 4 aluminum bars, each which has a length of 3 inches. I'm using a clamp to hold all the metal pieces together so I can make a hole in both the ends and also in the middle. I'm also using a digital caliper to measure the diameter of the thumb screw so that I can drill out an accurate hole in which the thumb screw can fit correctly. Over here I've taken a 3mm drill bit to drill out the hole for the rivet in the middle. Over here I'm using a rivet gun to tighten the rivet in the middle of the hole we made in the aluminum bar. If you have an alignment issue like I have, you can use a plier to hold one end of the aluminum bar and drill out the other hole to make it correct. You can slip one end of the rivet to make it a slimmer profile. You can cut the edges of the aluminum bar if it's not correctly aligned and make it smooth using a sandpaper. So I've taken the aluminum bars and I'm gonna connect it to the GoPro buckle mount. And then I'm gonna tighten the thumb screw. Then I can connect the other end of the metal bar to the GoPro shorty stick and then tighten the thumb screw on the GoPro shorty stick. As you can see, I'm removing the Rode mic from its stand, and then I can glue the down part to the sticky pad, and you can also remove it after that if you want. I've cut a section in the middle of the sticky pad so that the edges of the sticky pad don't get dirty. You press it really hard and so that it sticks really well. And then you can connect that to the GoPro buckle mount. You can see with really hard shaking also, the mic is not detaching from the GoPro sticky pad. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe and put the notification on so you never miss when I upload a new video.